Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing and enabling the Find Time add-in. This is the only supported method to create a Find Time poll. Once installed, open a new meeting or email in Outlook. Add the attendees you want to poll. Make sure to choose 3 to 6 candidate time blocks that fit your schedule and typical availability. Short windows are easier to match. You'll save time later if you prepare attendee emails now, because Find Time will automatically check free/busy availability as soon as you propose times. Once done with attendee selection, click the Find Time button in the ribbon to open the poll composer. You'll add your proposed time slots and set duration and time zone. This matters because attendees may be in other zones. Next, Find Time checks free/busy and highlights conflicting slots. Deselect those or pick alternates. Make sure to write a concise poll message explaining preferences and deadlines because clarity increases responses. After reviewing the preview, you're ready to insert the poll into your email for attendees to vote. Send the email with the embedded Find Time poll and wait for votes. Attendees click their preferred slots and the add-in tallies responses automatically. Once a majority or your chosen rule is met, Find Time lets you schedule the meeting with one click, confirm details, and send the final invite. If things go wrong, make sure the add-in has permissions and that guests use Microsoft 365 accounts. If not, instruct them to reply with availability or resend with simpler options to capture their responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.